All right, I'm gonna take you around the track we just did. I am gonna go a little slow because I am using my phone. I do not have a GoPro, so deal with it. Anyways, it's fun. We ended up using the whole property. So follow along. This first ramp that we get to, you're supposed to jump, but like I said, I'm holding one phone. That would be a disaster. Coming up to the new terrain we just did with all the rocks, we get used to different terrain. Ah, hey, watch out. You can go over these rocks to the left, or you can go through this little hole right here, and then you're back on the original track.